Etchr, and it's one of two things. I'm not sure which it is. I think that it is the Art Hunt, which I've heard is really bad, so be prepared. It feels like it's in a box, so it seems larger than it is, but I think they packed it in a box and just wrapped that up. I had so many packages today. It's a Friday, and I think everything, for some reason, I get on Friday, sometimes Saturday, but usually Friday is the big day, so that's why I changed my upload day to Sunday. Okay. Yes, Art Hunt. Okay. I heard it's bad, so I have no expectation, no good expectation. I wonder if these are all the same. They must be. If you got this and you got other stuff, let me know. I'm interested. Okay. Well, it's not super heavy. Limited spring edition, designed as a creative hunt. Oh. Okay. I like how they boxed it. This is kind of fun. Okay. If I just open everything, take everything out. Oh, why do I think this is going to be a coupon for me to use when I buy stuff? All right. I love this stuff. It's really soft. Murphy can make a little nest for himself in here. Maybe he'll lay some little kitten eggs. Possibly a sketchbook? Oh, thank you. Okay. All right, so at least it's a sketchbook. It's hot press. All right, that's good. All right, let's take a look at it. Let's get this on the back, so maybe that's the design that's on the front. I wonder if this is the same as the one I just got, the black one. Was that hot press? No, it's blue. Cute. Okay. Square format. 7x7, possibly. Where's the 7x7? I forget how much this was. I gotta look it up. Okay. I love the feel of this. Perfect sketchbook. No deckled edges, just regular edges, but hot press. Okay. That's nice. I always love a sketchbook, so you can just send me a whole box full. I'll be happy. How much was this? I'm gonna say 119. If I'm wrong, I'll put it on the screen. This. Oh, I don't want to open this. I have the feeling that this peachy colored one is going to be cards. More cards. Oh, no, these are cards. Oh, jeez. All right, just cards. Just some pieces of watercolor paper. Okay, that's crap. All right, this feels somewhat heavy. What could this be? Oh, okay. I like this kind of stuff, so I think these are like cards that you can, maybe, what are they? Here. Art Sparks. Okay, so it's like the dice, the cards, the stuff that if you don't have an idea, you can use these. So that's kind of fun. I like this kind of stuff, so I'm happy about that. So you've got subject cards, style cards, mood cards, and wild sparks, twists that add unpredictability. Okay, well, we'll look at those. I'll probably do a piece of art, and I'll use these to make them. So I don't know if I should keep them in here or not. All right, that's kind of fun. Okay, get ready for some greeting cards. I like the bunny. Oh, it's not. Okay. I think it's like the thing I just got. Yeah, field case. Ah. Well, that's okay. I'm not so I didn't get any cards except for these, so I'm happy. I just got this in one of my previous ones, but I will either keep it and use it, or I'll put it in the giveaway box. So this is to hold pens, pencils, stuff like that. It comes with a strap. I couldn't come up with the word. There's a zipper on that side. This is just, there's no zipper, but you could fit something behind that. And so you can attach the straps here. You can also attach, these are Velcro, so you can attach that to something and have it on there. So that's good. I'm not too disappointed with this. Okay. I mean, apart from this, more scrap paper. They're not big enough to do a sketchbook with. But yeah. So they didn't send any paints or anything, but I can just use what I have it here already. And I'll go through these and pick something. So I wonder how many cards there are in each one. So I have a set similar to this. And I have some dice that you do the same thing with, which I don't use very often, but I should do it more often when I can't come up with something. The other week when I was trying to come up with something, I should have used my cards or something to help me come up with something. I don't know how many cards are in here. So these are Wild Sparks. So that's kind of fun. I like these kind of things, so I'm okay with this. All right. I kind of don't want them in separate boxes, though. It's kind of annoying. And if they got different things on the front, you should just be able to grab one of each. Yeah, they all look different, so maybe I have something I can keep them in. I mean, the box is nice. It's nice and sturdy, but it just takes up a lot of room. Where this isn't that big, so we'll see. Okay, so mood. So we have emotions and stuff like that. Okay. Subject. Oh, okay. These are very specific. I was thinking it was going to be like animal or person, and it's like rusty bicycle. It's very specific. And style. Geometric. Ugh, I don't think I'm gonna like these. So there's a bunch of different ways you can use this. They have shared, creative relay, mystery muse. So lots of different ways, but I'll just use the simple way. So, all right, so let's do subject first. I do not want rusty bicycle. And if it's annoying, I'm gonna put it back and try another one, so. Okay, so let's try this one. Oh, are you kidding? Are you kidding me? Oh my God. That is insanity. All right, I'm gonna shuffle them again. I'm taking that one out. I am not doing, I can't believe that happened. Oh my God. Okay, let's try it again. We'll try this one. Secret door. All right, we'll try secret door. Mood. And behind the secret door, a rusty bicycle. Okay, let's try this one. Dreamy. Okay, that works. Style. At least it's something different, you know? Let's try this one. Texture focused. Oh, I like that. Okay. All right, that'll be good. And should I do the spark? Let's add a spark. And I guess, should I use my new sketchbook? This one. This one, okay. Title it before you start. Give your piece a name first and let it guide your choices. Well, secret door, I imagine. But okay, I'll keep that one. All right, so these are my 4 cards. And I will come up with something. I gotta figure out what I'm gonna do it with. I might do colored pencil. That sounds like something I haven't done in a while. All right, so I'll come back with my idea. I'll speed paint and I'll talk at the end. I'm done. Boy, I really struggled with, you know, I don't like to do stuff like this. I'd rather do something that's alive. I mean, there's plants, but I'm not, it's barely a plant. I have terrible time with trees and leaves and stuff, so. So my prompts were secret door. So this is a door kind of hidden into a wall, right? Oh, I named it unknown. I just couldn't come up with, I never name my paintings or anything, but I figured unknown, you don't know what's behind the door. Style was about texture, so I tried to get a lot of texture in the stones and on the door. I didn't do as well on the door, but I think the stonework came out pretty good. The subject was secret door. The mood was dreamy. So I ended up doing watercolor pencils because I figured I could lay it down and then wash over it, and it softens it, makes it kind of dreamy, sort of. So I did mostly Derwent and my museum aquarels, Caran d'Ache, and I don't know what is wrong with this pencil, but I tried to use this first. I was working first with just the Derwents, and I don't know what's the matter with this thing. It kept scratching every time I tried to use it. It's really strange. And then I thought maybe I got water on it or something and it like messed it up. But anyway, I just found a similar one in the Caran d'Ache. So yeah, that's what I came up with. Where's the other stuff? This. So I got this and this and 4 pieces of paper. I think the paper was different types of their paper. I think it was like a hot press, a cold press, and different, I don't know, I just put it away. So yeah, I mean, if I hadn't gotten this already, I would have loved this. I still love it, but I already have one. I love the sketchbook. Pretty. It's a little small for me, but this is probably about as small as I like to go. Paper's nice. It's hot press. I didn't have any issues working on it. It does curl up a little bit, and I didn't use a lot of water, so I don't know. I think this is thinner than the cold press. Gosh, I should have checked it. If it was 330 or 300 or 230. But yeah, paper's fine. I like the hot press now. These are kind of fun. I don't use these a lot. I would rather go through my file of photos and pick one to copy. But this is kind of fun. I do these once in a while. And I decided to keep the box and keep them in like that because it's just neater. And that's it. So that's it for this unboxing. I don't think I have anything else coming up. I will have an unboxing next week. It's either going to be Sketchbox or Sketchbox. I have 2 different Sketchbox things. So that'll be for next week. And thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye.